Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Ceejaybrand and we back with a brand new video for you guys once again. And today we do have a new product for you guys again. This right here is going to be the Neewer camera field monitor, the F100. It is an older monitor, but I wasn't really, for sure if I should, jump into the field of buying like a $300 monitor or anything, because the Canon, the flip out camera does good for me, I heard a lot of people that use a viewfinder when trying to find the perfect, setting and everything, but I can't do that. That's kind of strange. Like, I don't want to get up, walk behind the camera, and then, but oh yeah, this is it. So I was like, forget that. Let me just go ahead and buy the, the field monitor and see what's up with it, man. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy today's video, because I've been waiting for this. Honestly, we had some tornadoes come around like last week Friday. I should have had this product in, but this is what I've been waiting on. So we did experience a small delay, unfortunately, in my vlogmas. I haven't posted on, I think I didn't post a video for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but this is going to actually get out. I think I'm gonna get this out Monday night, or probably upload this Tuesday morning, and then we'll just start up. Anyway, you guys, without further ado, if you guys don't mind, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. We are trying to get there, So tell your family, friends, uncles, cousins, nieces, nephews, whatever you got. Tell them to subscribe to Ceejaybrand, because we got the latest tech. Kinda, sorta. Alright, man, let's go ahead and get straight into it, you guys. So I did lose my knife. I took it out with me downtown when I was vlogging for the GoPro, but it ain't never showed back up. So we got a scalpel. This is something I used when I was creating t-shirts, so bear with me. Let's go ahead and get it, man. Oh wow, they got it taped up like this. Okay, we really did need a knife. I got a pair of scissors though, but this is ghetto unboxing 101 with Ceejaybrand. Let's go to rip this paper open, man. Get this out the way. I got the notebook, the phone over here. Let's put the phone right here. Put this to the side. All right, cool. I got so much stuff over here. All right, so I did buy this in a bundle pack as well. I'm gonna spend like 100, I want to say 140 probably on it at the most. It just came with a monitor and then a few other small essentials that I was like I needed, because the monitor itself was like 94 bucks without us purchasing all this extra stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get the small stuff out the way right quick, because these are the most important things. So of course, this right here is going to be the battery pack itself. This is what's going to be used to actually power the monitor. Now it can be powered both ways. It can be going to be powered by a USB chargers, USB plug-in, or either you can just go ahead and use a battery. But me personally, I think that I may be a mixture of both, just depending on where I'm at. If I'm either in my room or either in the back of the room, for the studio. So this does use an F55 battery, 7.2 volts. I'm not for sure how long this battery lasts, but I've been hearing some great feedback from it. A lot of people haven't been saying that it does die fast or anything, but it also came with a dual USB charger as well for this battery. So I don't know why it says dual USB, but let me go ahead and open it up right quick, because I'm quite curious. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know why it says dual USB. But anyway, cool thing about it, it has like a front LCD screen on there, so I'm assuming that's going to tell us what the battery percentage is or whatever. If you guys can go ahead and take a look at that right quick. That front LCD screen right there, got the little 2 prongs. It's a fat battery for one. Then it is going to be powered by my favorite plug in the world, the mini USB. The plug that we didn't know. And then let's go ahead and unbox this battery as well. I should have kept the scalpel up here. Scalpel me, thank you. So we got the scalpel back out. Let's go ahead and open this bad thing up right here. Ooh. Whew, this battery's thick. Sheesh, this is a thick battery. That boy is thick. Yeah, man, so we gonna use that, and hopefully this thing got some juice in it already. I've never seen a battery like this. Yeah, but let me plug it up to my computer right quick. I want to see, you know, if this LCD does show something on here. So hold on one sec. All right, yeah, so I got it right here. I can't bring it anymore because it's stuck. But if you guys can kind of sort of see on here, I got another camera. I forgot. It got the little battery thing is charging up. So that's a cool thing. You know, I wish a lot of other battery packs like the Canon I got, the batteries I got right now, it doesn't have this on there, but it would be very nice to have this on there to show me you're full, because sometimes I got a feeling that sometimes when I charge my Canon up, it just showed me a green light just to show a green light, then it dies after 2 seconds. So get into the main parts of it, and that's going to be the LCD field monitor itself. So we'll just go ahead and rip this thing out the way because we don't need a scalpel, no surgery today. Temporarily, I should say. All right, that's that. It's a very nice clean box. I mean, it is made out of cardboard, but I mean, it really looks good. I got so much stuff by Neewer. You would think I'm sponsored by Neewer, but I'm really not. I just, you know, they just got a lot of stuff that's, you know, if you want to be a content creator, you should really check Neewer out. I mean, there are some other brands, but if you watch the channel, I have Neewer ring lights, Neewer Elgato alternative ring lights. These things are bright as heck. So it's like, you know, I just got a lot of stuff. All my pretty much all of my stands, like my light stands and tripods, are pretty much Neewer. If they're not Neewer, there may be some pack. I got a cheap Amazon one of them somewhere, but I don't use that because that thing flimsy anyway. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Scalpel me, thank you. We really needed a knife, man. I feel like a doctor for real. I need a scalpel. This thing probably need to call it a scalpel. I don't know what it is. I bet you after I upload this video, after I edit a video, I'm gonna look it up and I'm be like, oh, that's a scalpel. So yeah, we don't know what that is, but let's go ahead and shake it, bake it. Come on, Neewer. Show us what you got. Yeah, so some other things as well while we're trying to get the box open. This is a 4K capable monitor. So, you know, basically on your cameras, you may have that good quality on there as well. But now this monitor right here will just, you know, make it bigger. It's a 7-inch screen monitor as well. It does run 1080p as well if you want to. It comes with several different cables. So let me put this to the side. Let's go ahead and get in here. Well, you guys, inside of the box, we're going to take this little cardboard off. We got the customer service you know, letter right here. That's never going to come in handy for me. I need to start using it because I just had a bad experience there at Best Buy. But anyway, we got some functional introduction. So of course we're going to go ahead and unplug it. We're going to go ahead and plug it in and show you guys some key features about that. I'm actually going to keep this paper out. This right here is a setup manual. So definitely if you buy this monitor or anything, make sure you look at the setup menu if you don't know how to use it. And then we got some more instruction manuals right here as well. Probably won't use those, so not for sure. And then like I said as well, they come with a bunch of cables. Looks like we even got a bracket in here too, but they come with the 3 AV cables, you know, the standard stuff that you normally would use, you know, on a fatback TV. You know, we on LED TV, LCD TVs, all the good stuff right now. So my camera itself is going to be using neither one of these cables. We need a mini USB. So we'll put this to the side and hopefully, yeah, here we go right here. So we got the mini USB cable. I'm like, oh, we got something here for myself. So go ahead and unbox that right quick. Yeah, this right here is going to be the mini. I think this is a USB cable. I don't know. I got to take the camera down and see. But let's put that to the side. And then cool, it comes with its own shoe mount for us. So that's a good thing. I ain't got to go buy another one because your boy tired of buying stuff like that. I got too many of these, but they all occupied. All of them. Put that over here. And then the reason why, another thing, you know, why I really ordered it, because sometimes I do like small photography and, you know, it was very sunny outside and I couldn't see nothing from the screen. I was like, I didn't know anything about the viewfinder at first. So this comes with its own sunshade. So I can go ahead and, you know, easily wrap this around the monitor itself and I can still see everything. So, and then we got the little plastic piece, but that's everything inside the box unless you want some silica gels. That's that. Let's go ahead and get into the monitor itself and we'll get this all plugged in. I was gonna say, where the heck is the USB for it to plug in, but I forgot we got a battery, boy. All right. So yeah, this right here is the Neewer F100 field monitor. Once again, it's a 7-inch monitor. Now this right here has the biggest bezels that I've seen on a monitor, which I don't mind because I am starting off with it, but I mean, other than that, it's pretty chill to me. It looks pretty good, you know, especially for a starter. So I'm not really looking for anything humongous or, you know, anything that looks very good right now, just because, like I said, I'm starting off. So it'll just be nice like that. But let's go ahead and take off this right here. ASMR. Never mind. ASMR. And let's go ahead and get our battery back. I think the battery should have had enough juices. You would, okay, there you go. You just gotta put it in closer, that's all. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and turn this thing going and hope for the best. Hold that down. Yeah, I mean, it looks very vibrant so far. I mean, it was just a white color, but it looks vibrant to me. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up to the camera. We're gonna have to go get another hot shoe mount, because I gotta use the iPhone 13 to record the rest of this video. Guys, so I went ahead and switched over to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm trying to figure out what the heck am I actually gonna be doing. So I got everything switched over. I got the hot shoe mount and the monitor hooked up, so now I can officially see myself while I'm actually recording, which I will say this. For the first, I'm looking up at that because I can see both of them. I'm not recording up there, I'm recording down here. But anyway, so with me going ahead and hooking that up, it definitely looks very different. Maybe I need to go in there and mess with the settings more, but I will say that if you, I'm not gonna put this really because it looks like it's too sharpened. That's what I really want to say. So I'm gonna switch my camera around and show you guys, you know, exactly what I'm talking about, so you guys can see it yourself. I can see in here. I'm not for sure if you guys could. Yeah, it's a viewfinder or something like that. So yeah, y'all should be able to see me. But this is what it looks like, and I mean, it's cool to me, honestly. I mean, it looks pretty chill. Like I said, I'm not using this really, you know, majorly for photography. I'm mainly using it just for, like, you know, standard stuff, you know, like video recording. This is just going to help me, you know, figure out something, you know, what I look like and what do I need to adjust. Now, I do want to say this. I do recommend getting a different shoe mount, because that shoe mount right there is weak. It does move around a little bit too much. So, all right, you guys, so we are back in. I had to switch up everything because the phone, and yeah, I was using a DJI Osmo 4 for the phone holder, and it was like, nah, we done with you, bro. But anyway, some more reviews on. I'm gonna look up and down. That may be a distraction for me, so I do have an idea. What I'm going to start doing is doing this for sure. If I plan on using this fully, I'm going to be moving my monitor to, like, you know, probably pair up. That way I can actually, you know, just look at it directly and won't be looking like, hi guys, something like that, man. So as of right now, my camera, the field monitor, it is recording at 1080p, so I'm getting 1080p feedback. Now, one thing I will say is this though: the 1080p feedback versus the Canon's flip out camera, they're totally two different. They're different. For one, the field monitor looks very cheap. It looks cheaper for sure, I'll say that. But the field monitor on the flip out camera on the Canon, it looks way much better. So I'm assuming that maybe if you do switch over to 4K recording, then you'll get the 4K quality out of it. But as of right now, like I said, I can only see 1080p. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that good, but it's just right. Because as long as you know that you got the great view of it, that's all that should matter, you guys. That's all that should matter. Anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. This right here was a newer field monitor, camera field monitor, the F100 version. So it is the older model. They got tons of more out. But I wanted to start off with something very cheap. That way I can, you know, eventually upgrade and use something different. Now, yeah, so that's all I got for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video of the field monitor. Hopefully you guys will go pick up one perhaps in the future, or maybe after you see this video. This right here is it. Ceejaybrand is signing off temporarily. We will be back soon with another tech unboxing video. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.